and girls, for Writer's Workshop today, we're going to write about my favorite farm animal. And we talked about farm animals. Your paper says my favorite farm animal is a, and then you're going to write what your favorite farm animal is. Not right now. We're not doing this now. And then you're going to write your own sentence about it. Before that, I want to show you, because before we just started working on our writing together. We did it together. Now you're going to do it alone, and you're going to get a grade on it. And this is what I am going to look for with your work. Did you write about the topic? Did you write about your farm animal with a complete thought? Really, it means, does it make sense? If you wrote cows milk, does that make sense? No. You would want to say cows make milk, or cows give me milk, or I drink milk from a cow. You have to use a capital letter to begin your sentence. You need to end with a punctuation mark. You need to use spaces between your words. You need to use the right uppercase and lowercase letters in your words. In the sentence, I'm going to see, is your writing neat? And did you do a nice, neat illustration? And so if I give you a 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, then you can get 7 in a VG. Or a 6. If you get a 0 because your work's not neat, then you get a 6 in a G. Or if you only got 3 1s and a bunch of zeros, then you're going to get an S. And if you only got 2 1s on there, then you'll get an N, which means we need to keep working. So we're going to score mine. We're going to write, y'all are going to help me write one, and then you're going to help me score. All right? So, right now, you're going to have, I've got mine started. I did my illustration. And so, let's look at mine. It says, my favorite farm animal is a, what do you think?
Cow.
A cow. All right?
Is that really what your favorite animal is?
Well, I like them all, but this is the one I chose for right now. Okay? First of all, let's take a look at this. Is my illustration neat?
Yes,
Yeah.
I love it.
So if I'm looking at, okay, so which is good. Now this is not your sentence because I wrote this one for you and you just put in the word. Now you're going to write your own sentence about a cow. Now I've got, not you, I'm going to write my own sentence about a cow. You're going to write about your farm animal. Let's go back over our writing goals. We always start our sentence with a capital letter. Let's look at this one that's given to us. Is that a capital letter? Yes. Good job with this sentence. We're going to do finger spaces, or we use our spaceman in between words. Is there spaces in between my favorite farm animal is a? Yes. All right. Good job there. We use sight words to help us write. Do we have some sight words here? Yes. Is, a, and my. And then at the end, you have to have a stop dot punctuation. All right? Now, will you help me write a sentence about this cow? All right? So now I'm going to write the sentence, and I need your help. I think I want to say cows give milk. Put your pencils down. If you are writing, I'm going to give you a new sheet of paper. All right? Because I need your help doing mine, and then I want you to do yours. All right, so here is a sentence given to you. Now you're going to write your own sentence. So if I want to say cows give milk, how would I start that with? With a capital letter. And for cow, would do a capital C. And I see it right here, so a lowercase O and W. So I would say cows and S at the end. Now what do I need to do? Spaceman. What could I say next? Cows, you say cow's poo.
Milk.
That is silly.
Cows give me milk.
Cows give.
Me milk.
Good, Maddie. Thank you. So how would I write give? What letter would I use? G. Can I do a capital G?
No.
No, a lowercase g. Cows give. I give. V. Good. So I have cows give. You want me to write us?
Me.
Or me?
Me. You.
Let's write us. Cows give us. Can I do my you right here?
No.
Why not? Oh, my spaceman. Thank you. Cows give us. Can I do a big U?
Yes. No.
For
No, ma'am.
No, lowercase
No,
u.
ma'am.
Cows give us.
Milk. No, ma'am.
And then, what am I going to write?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Oh, I have some friends who are about to have to go pull their clips, and that makes me sad because they're being silly. Cows give us milk. How would I write milk? M. Thank you. I'm going to put my M right here.
No.
Why not?
Because you need space.
Oh, I see a spaceman. Thank you. Okay. Milk.
No.
Why?
Spaceman.
I did my spaceman.
Oh, you did your M go underground.
Oh, I didn't do it very neat, did I?
Yeah, your M went underground.
And it's uppercase. That can't be that way.
Erase it.
And I didn't use my pencil. Oh, no. Pretend like I erased that, and that's not there. Let me do it right. I know I start at the gate. I go down to the ground and make a hump and a hump.
Yes.
Can you help me spell
L.
L, thank
You're
you.
going too fast.
Milk.
K.
Okay. Do you think that's good sentence?
Yes.
Cows give us milk. Does it make sense? Does it make sense?
Yes.
Yes. What am I missing?
Stop
A stop dot. Thank you.
milk.
You're right, Lila. Thank you. That's a good question.
Oh yeah, there's a vowel.
All words need a vowel, and there's not a vowel in milk. Guess what there really is? It. So there really an I goes right there. But if you wrote it that way, I would be so happy because you were using your sound. So now, I want you to come score this sentence for me. You're going to be the teacher. Cows give us milk. Did that make sense?
Yes.
All right, I get a 1. Did I use a capital letter to begin my sentence? I get a 1.
Again, another one.
Did I end the sentence with a punctuation mark?
Yes.
I get a 1. Did I use spaces between my words?
Yes.
I get a 1.
Always get one. No.
Did I use uppercase and lowercase letters in the right way?
Yes.
Yes. What if I use that M? No. But if I do that one, yes.
Yes.
Do you think that writing is neat?
Yes.
Yes.
Do
Do you think this illustration is neat? Yes.
I did.
All right, so look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Guess what? VG. Very good, because I hit all those points. Now, I want you to look at this one. All right. So pretend like I have my favorite farm animal is a chick. Right here, I wrote chicks lay eggs. All right? Chicks lay eggs. I need you to help me score this one.
Oh, chicks don't lay eggs. Chickens lay eggs.
All right? chicks or chickens lay eggs, but if you wrote chicks, I'm okay with that. Will you help me score this, please? All right. Are you ready? I need you to be my teacher. Does this make sense? Chicks lay eggs.
Yes.
Yeah, that makes sense. That's complete. Did I use a capital letter to begin my sentence?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Second to the original.
Did I end my sentence with a period?
No.
No. Ooh. Did I use spaces between my words?
No.
No, because this looks like chicks lay eggs, chicks lay eggs, chicks lay eggs. It looks like one big word, doesn't it? I didn't use spaces. Did I use the proper uppercase and lowercase letters? Yeah, I did. Is this writing neat? You think my illustration looks pretty neat?
Yeah.
All right, so let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. Oh, there's my score. I get a G. Good. But remember, boys and girls, you've got a space between your words and do a stop dot. All right, you ready to grade another one?
No.
Yeah, I need you to help me. All right, so this one, there's my illustration. And let's try and read this sentence. Are you ready? I like chickens.
Why is it chickens just by itself? Chickens.
Can you, does that look like work that you want to be turning into this Wendy?
No.
Well, when you rush through it, it does. So let's score this. I like chicks. Does that make sense?
No. No.
Yeah, it does. I do like chicks. That makes sense.
I do like chickens.
Did I use a capital letter to begin my sentence? No, I did not.
0.
Did I end my sentence with punctuation?
No.
Did I use spacing between all of my words? No. Did I use uppercase and lowercase letters in the right way? No, I have a capital L, a capital K, capital H. No, I did not. Is this neat? No. What about this illustration?
No.
Really? It's all one color, there's no detail.
I like the picture.
I would say no. Guess what this score is?
1.
We need to keep working, boys and girls.
Oh no! So you get an N?
It's an N, which means we're going to keep working. We've got to try our best. So right now, on your paper, it says name. Write your name.
I don't have my. I like write my name.
Write your name at the top of your paper. Write your name at the top of your paper. Write your name at the top. Name at the top. Name at the top of your paper. All right, here's your name. And now it says date. We're going to write the date. We're going to write the date
21,
with numbers. Remember, October is the 10th month of the year. So we're going to write a 10 for October. That stands for October, the 10th month of the year. And we're going to do a dash. And today is October 21st. So we're going to do a 2 and a 1 and then a dash. And it's October 21st, 2020. And you're going to write a 2, 0. Okay. Before you do your illustration, we're going to do illustrations at the end. Let's start our writing. Okay? Right now, take your pencil and point with me. My favorite farm animal is a. Now, Andrew and Lennon, you might not have this on your paper, but your moms can help you write it. And then you're going to write on this next line with lowercase letters, not capital, your favorite farm animal and a stop dot. Do it now. My favorite farm animal is, write it here, right now. Try your best. If it's a pig, sound out p-ig. If it's a cat, sound out k-at. If it's a horse, it's horse. And then period. And then I want you to put your pencil down. I want you to put your pencil down.
Wait, what's your rule?
And hands in your lap. Okay. So right here we have my favorite farm animal is a, and then you wrote it right here. I think I might have
Can I
one.
draw the color? I did it all.
My favorite farm animal is a, not a period. You have to tell me what it is. Okay? Now, all right, boys and girls.
You're just writing it one time.
So now we have another line right here. This is where you're going to write a sentence on your own to tell me about the animal. So if you were going to describe a pig or tell me about a pig, what would you say? What could we say about a pig? Pigs what? Pull your mask down so I can understand. Pigs roll in mud. How many words is that? Pigs roll in mud. You're going to have 4 words with spaces in between. Good thing. What else can you tell me about a farm animal that you could write, that you want to write? Horses give you meat. We don't eat horses. But they do have meat. Can you ride a horse? Yeah, would you want to say that? I can ride a horse, or you can ride horses. What would you say about that, about a horse? No? Okay, what about a duck? What could we write about a duck if you picked a duck? Ducks can swim. 3 words. So you are going to use your brain, your noodle, to write your sentence on this line. Capital letter, space between your words. And then when you're finished, I want a beautiful illustration to tell me what you wrote down here. All right, I can't wait to see everybody's work. Let's get to writing.